Okay, so 3 days later, it's now Wednesday afternoon, and we've taken the boards off here, and you can see there's plenty of these radishes here in this row. These little blue dots here are the seeds, and so there's plenty of them coming up here. And so now we'll take the carrots, taking the boards off, just got to pick up the paper. We'll have a look. And so I took the paper off the boards and the paper off the carrots, and we see nothing. I think it's not true. I did see something there. Here, that little tiny seed just there, popping up its head. It could be a weed. Nah, it's probably a carrot. What about that one? That could be a weed too. Anyway, they've had 3 good days of moisture. I'm sure they'll be fine. Grow your little plant. G'day, so 19th of March, Sunday, and this is as far as we got. We emptied these buckets out into the trailer. We're going to clean up all of that, and my sister cleaned these buckets out, repacked them, and we've replaced them here, and I'm hoping to get some tomatoes up those strings. See how I make them. It's just a piece of plastic card, and just tie it to that pole, and then I can grow the tomatoes up there or whatever I'm growing. So then over here, so these 4 tomatoes which we planted last week are doing really well, looking good. This one's the biggest. Celery, still doing good. The bok choy, we planted these last week, and you can see the roots are down and they're looking really good. So we gave them a bit of water for 3 days through the top, and then now they're fine. Over here, let's lift this up. So over here, the radishes, now they're growing really well, and the beans as well have really taken off, looking good. Little baby carrots are coming up, can you see there? Yep, there they are. So they're coming along. So that's all good in the flood and drain system. So we'll have radishes, bush beans, dwarf beans in the middle, and 2 types of carrots in the back, ball carrots and baby carrots. And then these lettuces have been in for 2 weeks, so they look really good. I think another week or 2 we'll be eating them. The silver beet is looking really good now. This is great to eat. So, and the plant lasts for a long time. Just take the outer leaves off. So you get like 6 months out of these. Really good. Really good to eat. Just in the recirculating dust buckets. And the peppers are all looking pretty good. My wife picked a bunch of peppers, and she pickled some. And then these lettuces. So these have been in, it has to be 3 weeks. These are icebergs starting to form up. I think there'll be another couple of weeks for these icebergs. And these other ones are all looking pretty good now. I think another week or so, and we'll be eating these. And the coriander as well, looking great. There we go.